Hey, welcome everyone. I am happy to see you back here again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. If you can hear my voice loud and clear, let me know from the comments, and I will appreciate your response so I will know if you are right here with me. Please let me hear you. Let me see you type in the comments if you can hear me loud and clear, and let me know where you're joining this live session from. I can see a lot of you are joining. Let's have you right here. Let's have you guys up and let's get into this live session. I want to show you guys something very powerful. And for those of you who are joining me for the first time, my name is Solomon King, and I'm happy to have you guys. I can see somebody, nephew from Kano. Oh, a lot of you guys are from Nigeria. I can see Bauchi, Enugu, Lagos. I can see Cameroon. Wow. Much love. Botswana. So it's a beautiful trading day, Friday afternoon. I am taking a live trade currently on Euro JPY. And the purpose of this particular video is for me to show you the power of precision entry. All right, precision entry. Somebody type it in the comments, precision entry, so we can have precision entry. Yes. You see, entry is everything. If you can enter the market correctly, then you will have less problem to worry about. All right, you will have less problem to worry about. So, how many of you are in the same trade as me? How many of you are on the same trade as me? How many of you guys? Euro JPY. How many of you are buying it? I know some guys from my mentorship community are in the trade. Those who have seen the analysis I did earlier today. And yeah, I can see all of you guys, somebody from Maiduguri, Nigeria. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you very much for joining. Okay. Mr. Broker Killer. Is it Mr. B Broker Killer? Wow. That's an amazing name. All right. So, oh, you missed it. If you missed it, don't worry. You don't have to chase any trade. Precision entry. And now it's a mixture of a price setup time and also trade entry confirmation. You see, it's a mixture of price setup, time, and trade entry confirmation. Yes. Now, let me go to the chart and I will show you the progression of the analysis. It's very straightforward, very straightforward. And I want to teach you guys something I normally teach my mentorship students who normally will pay me $100 to get access to the mentorship community. But I want to show you guys this simple analysis. We call it the intermarket analysis. And what we do is that we want to check the market and see what the market has in relation to other assets. For JPYPS, we normally will check the yen basket. Yen basket. All right. We normally will check the yen basket, and this is it. Yes, yen basket. So if you go to your chart and check yen basket, it's an index, just like you have DXY. All right. The yen basket is what will give you the directional movement of price as it plays out. So this is the yen basket as it is playing now currently. What can you say is the directional movement of yen basket on the daily time frame? All right. On the daily time frame, we've seen price has been printing bearish movement since from the first time price shifted structure here. You should not ignore the power of top-down analysis. Anytime you're trading, look at what has transpired in the past. All right. So we have a shifting market structure here, price coming back to tap into this bearish order block, and boom, price came down. We had this massive movement down into this area, creating another break of structure. So that was what gave us the confidence. All right. That was what gave us the confidence that the yen basket is pushing bearish. And by that is that any other currency asset that is paired with the yen PS or JPY PS, they are expected to go bullish. It's only JPY that has all the major currencies attached to it on the right hand side. Is that true? Is that true? Yes, all the major currencies attached to it is on the right hand side. Okay, so When you look at this very carefully, you're going to see that the NPS are going to expect a massive bullish movement because the yen basket is printing bearish from the daily time frame. That is what we are expecting. So when I dropped down to the 4-hour time frame, I saw this price action. Initially, before this massive push up that came in, I saw price traded was trying to trade back into this guy right here. Right here, price was trying to trade into this bearish, or let's call it a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, and we have a bearish mitigation block right beside it here. All right, so that was what gave me the confidence to take the trade on Euro JPY, which is here. Today is Friday, and I expect to see price behave in that manner. So let's have it. Let's have it. Do we have my internet? Can you guys hear me? Is my audio okay? Okay, perfect, perfect. So on the yen PS, I saw this price action exactly at the same time when I took it. We're having a massive push down. I don't know what is coming in. Probably we are about to experience. Okay, that's the New York Stock Exchange open. Okay, so look at this on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, can we call this an opportunity to go bullish? I think even your 3-year-old baby will be able to identify this as an opportunity to go bullish. Yes, it's an opportunity to go bullish, knowing that price is experiencing that movement. The yen basket is bearish and price traded down into here. And once I saw that, I decided to go down to the 15-minute time frame to look for confirmatory entry at the exact time. During what time of the day? During the London session of the day. And this was it. When price traded into this guy, I used this guy called the swing low entry formation. Swing low entry formation. And that brings me to the fact that these details are captured in this ebook. The ebook is fully ready. Let me show you guys. Just a minute. I want to show you something before I share the screen. I'll share my screen. I want to show you. Share entire screen. Okay. Beautiful. So here we go again. All right. So this is the ebook is fully ready. I'm going to drop the link to this particular ebook in the description of this video. I try as much as possible to represent more of graphics representation of everything that is needed for you to be able to trade profitably. So the ebook cost just $10, less than $10, around $9 and some few. So look at the entry pattern I use. You see trade entry confirmation, right? This is the swing high formation where you are supposed to have a 3-candle price action. I explained in detail. All right, a 3-candle price action. If you can see my screen, guys, let me know. A 3-candle price action. This is a sell side scenario, and this is a buy scenario. Look at this. We have 3-candle price action. 1, 2, 3, with the middle candle having the lowest low, and the third candle closing above the middle candle. The moment the third candle closes, we activate our trade. This is the information captured in that book. If you want to get the book, use the link in the description and get the book. It cost, I made it so affordable for all of you to get it. Let me show you what we have here on the screen is exactly the same entry pattern I use. You see, when price came right here, let's see it. We have 1, 2, 3 candles here. 1, 2, 3 candle price action. Let's have it. Let's have it. The moment the third candle closed above the middle candle, which is this guy, you see it. We have the third candle closing. I activated the trade from here. From here, we call it a swing low formation. Swing low formation, and my target was simply the high here. All right. As now that I'm beginning to see I think by now on my mobile phone MT5, let me get it. I should be thinking of getting stopped out on break even. Sorry, let me check. I don't know where this massive candle is coming from, but then my rule of break even is also captured in this book. The moment I see a break of structure for what I normally would break even, oh, I am out at break even. Imagine getting, yes, I have moved my stop loss actually to somewhere around here on my MT5, all right? Somewhere around here, okay? On MT5. Just checked it on my mobile phone. Normally we'll check my mobile phone on an entry. Oh, okay. Notwithstanding, let's get back to business. That was the entry formation or entry confirmation I used for taking this trade. All right. That was the entry confirmation I used for taking this particular trade. The moment I saw this 1, 2, 3 with the third candle having what? The lowest, sorry, the middle candle having the lowest low, the third candle closing above. After price have traded into what? My point of interest. I've explained this in detail in the book, where you can see and take your trades. Don't worry about getting stopped out at break even. It happens like that in the markets, okay? It happens like that. That is how the market behaves. And I was holding it because I wanted to get the full reward. I will have closed when it was here. Yes, it happens like that in the market. That was about 80 pips. I have calculated how much I was supposed to make. So the entry is what matters. You look for a confirmation before you take your trade. All right. I'm having issues with my breaker block. Yes, I've explained breaker block in the book. You can get it. All right. You can get it. Breaker block is well explained in the book. All right. Breaker block is well explained. I just captured everything that you need to be able to trade profitably in this market. And those of you who feel comfortable with videos, please stay on the YouTube. You don't need to buy the book. Stay on the YouTube channel and get enough knowledge. You want to get into the mentorship where you have a lot of other things you can get into the mentorship. Do you have, sir, do you trade SLP? What is SLP? I don't know what SLP is. Yes, guys, this is the second trade I'm taking since when I came back from break. And trust me, this is the second trade. I think I'm over ambitious about it. Yesterday, I got stopped out at break even. Today, stopped out at break even. I've made a lot of money from this, but then I wanted to get the full reward. It came back and I'm now out. It was here, my stop loss on my mobile phone. But it happens like that. If I can get the whole reward, it's perfect. What I wanted to share with you is the entry and precision. Every time you see this type of entry, you are assured of securing a decent profit. All right. So, how many of you are willing to try this type of entry? How many of you are willing to try this type of entry? Price coming to your point of interest, just like this. Yes, this one. We have a fair value gap and we have a bearish order block here. What do we see? A swing high formation, 3 candle price action, right? 1, 2, 3, with the middle candle having the highest high and the third candle closing below the middle candle. Your activation point is where? Is going to be here. All right. It's going to be here. This is just an aggressive way of entering trade, but then it rewards perfectly. Okay, I have another entry pattern I've shared in the book. You can get it. The link is in the description of this video. And if you can't get the payment to go through, you can send me a message on WhatsApp and I'll be able to help you out with these things. So lastly, do you have any question? Today is Friday. We're not going to spend long time. And if you have any question, you can reach out to me through the comments, through WhatsApp, and I'll be there to answer your questions. If you know you are a complete beginner in Forex trading, those of you who are beginners, complete beginners, you are yet to start your Forex journey, I will be organizing a boot camp for all the beginner traders on Sunday. Reach out to me on WhatsApp. The link is in the description of this video. Reach out to me on WhatsApp I will be having a boot camp for all the beginners. Beginners. Mm, uh, no. It wasn't a premature break even. No, it wasn't a premature break even. I expected that. I don't joke with protecting my capital. Trust me. We have more than 1, 2, 3 break of structure happening around that price movement. All right. And especially when I saw price moved massively like that, it was an interesting thing for me to break even. It wasn't a premature one. It happens like that in the market. If you are a beginner, send me a message on WhatsApp. The link is in the description of this video, or join the free Telegram community. The link is also in the description of this video. I'm going to send the link for all the basic beginners in forex trading, complete beginners. Okay, I think I will have a boot camp with you on on Sunday. I will drop the link with you if you send me a message on WhatsApp. Don't worry, I will make more videos for you guys, and then we're gonna have an interesting moment. Okay, guys, don't forget to get your own copy of the book. It's right in the description of the video. Okay, thank you guys. I will see you later. I think I have finished the week with just 2 trades for the week, and then all of them touching my stop loss at break even. It happens like that, and it's perfect. It's perfect. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. We'll see you later. This trade may probably work out, but it is what it is. Okay, I taught you how the entry is. Okay, there are more in the book, and see you guys later.